Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be sharing Natural Cleaning Made Easy, 20 tips for a healthier home, focused on using simple, natural ingredients to keep your space spotless and healthy. These tips help you clean effectively without relying on harsh chemicals, making your home safer and more eco-friendly. What I truly enjoy is the result: a clean, fresh home that feels welcoming and natural. That's why I love finding efficient ways to get things done with common items like vinegar, baking soda, and citrus. If you're ready to embrace natural cleaning and make your home shine, I think you'll love these tips. Now, without further ado, let's dive into these natural cleaning hacks. Cleaning a blender can sometimes feel like a sticky nightmare, especially when you've been blending ingredients like peanut butter, almond butter, or honey. But don't worry, I have an easy hack to save you time and effort. After you've poured out the contents of the blender, simply add some warm water and a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Put the lid back on securely and run the blender for about 20-30 seconds. The powerful spinning motion will loosen and clean off all the sticky residue inside. Once that's done, pour out the soapy water, rinse the blender thoroughly with clean water, and you're done. There's no need for scrubbing, and your blender will look as good as new. It's a quick and hassle-free way to keep your blender sparkling clean every time you use it. Cleaning an oven is definitely one of those chores that no one enjoys. Scrubbing off baked-on grease and food stains can be such a hassle. But here's a simple tip to save you the trouble. Use a baking tray to catch any drips or spills. If you want to go a step further, invest in a reusable non-stick oven liner. These liners sit perfectly at the bottom of your oven, catching any mess before it hardens and sticks. When the liner gets dirty, you can simply take it out, wipe it clean with a damp cloth, and put it back in place. It's so much easier than scrubbing the entire oven. This hack not only saves time, but also keeps your oven looking clean with minimal effort. Did you know that lint rollers can be a secret weapon for cleaning more than just clothes? They're fantastic for picking up dust from hard-to-clean areas like headboards, lampshades, and even curtains. The adhesive surface grabs dust and lint in seconds, leaving surfaces spotless. In my home, we've switched to a reusable lint roller. It's super sticky, and once it's dirty, we can rinse it under running water and use it again. It's not only convenient, but also better for the environment. This simple tool is a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your home dust-free. If your favorite mugs are stained from coffee or tea, don't worry. There's an easy fix. Sprinkle a bit of salt onto the stain, then add a few drops of vinegar. Use a sponge or cloth to gently scrub the area. The combination of salt and vinegar acts as a natural abrasive and cleaner, breaking down the stubborn stains. After rinsing with water, you'll notice your mugs look shiny and spotless, as if they were brand new. Cooking grease doesn't belong in your drain, but there's a better way to dispose of it. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil, fold it into a small pouch, and place it in a bowl. After cooking, pour the hot grease into the pouch and let it cool and harden. Once solid, toss the foil pouch into the trash. This method not only keeps your drains clear, but also prevents unpleasant smells in your kitchen. Plus, it's super easy and much cleaner than dealing with clogged pipes later on. Dryer sheets aren't just for your laundry. They're a versatile tool for keeping your home smelling fresh and inviting. I love using them in unexpected places like artificial flowers, under couch cushions, or even inside drawers and closets. You can also tuck a sheet into your car or your shoes to keep them smelling great. The best part is that dryer sheets are easy to replace, so you can switch them out regularly to maintain that clean, fresh scent. If you're feeling creative, try using scented dryer sheets to match the season, lavender for spring or cinnamon for winter. This small hack can make your entire space feel cozy and clean. Your dishwasher and washing machine aren't just for dishes and clothes. They can handle so much more. Think beyond the usual uses and start cleaning unexpected items around the house. For instance, in our dishwasher, we've successfully washed bath toys, greasy kitchen filters, hairbrushes, and even light fixtures. A great tip I've tried is placing hats on the top rack of the dishwasher. This keeps their shape intact while making them sparkling clean. For the washing machine, it's equally versatile. You can freshen up stuffed animals, clean pillows, or even wash Lego pieces by placing them in a mesh laundry bag. These machines can save you so much time and effort, allowing you to clean multiple items all at once. They truly are household heroes when it comes to multitasking. Let's face it, ironing is one chore most of us try to avoid. But I've discovered a few tricks to make sure you can skip the iron and still have smooth clothes. One of my favorites is using a crease releaser spray. This is perfect for things like bedsheets or curtains that are prone to creases. Just spray it on, smooth out the fabric with your hands, and let it dry naturally. It works like magic. Another hack is to adjust the spin speed on your washing machine. Set it to 800 RPM or lower to reduce wrinkles in your laundry. Finally, folding your clothes as soon as they're out of the dryer can also help prevent creases from setting in. These small changes can save you a lot of time and effort. If you need to get rid of wrinkles in clothes quickly, your tumble dryer can be a lifesaver. Simply toss the wrinkled clothing into the dryer with a slightly damp cloth or towel. Set the dryer on a medium heat setting and let it run for about 10 minutes. The steam generated will help relax the fabric and smooth out most of the creases. This hack is especially handy when you're in a rush, like if the kids need wrinkle-free school uniforms in the morning. Another great tip is to fold clothes immediately after the dryer finishes. This prevents wrinkles from forming and saves you the trouble of ironing later. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to save time. Cleaning your shower head has never been easier with this simple trick using vinegar. Grab a Ziploc bag, fill it with vinegar, and secure it over your shower head using a rubber band. Leave it to soak for a few hours, or better yet, overnight while you get a good night's sleep. The vinegar will break down lime scale, soap scum, and other residues effortlessly. When you're ready, remove the bag, rinse the shower head with water, and wipe it with a cloth. It'll look brand new and work better too. This method is not only effective but also chemical-free, making it safe and eco-friendly. If you're feeling motivated, you can use the same technique for tap handles or other fixtures coated with lime scale. Cloudy, spotted glasses can be frustrating, but there's a simple solution to restore their shine. Fill a bowl with warm water and mix in a generous splash of vinegar. Place your glasses in the mixture and let them soak for a few minutes. The vinegar works to dissolve calcium deposits and hard water spots. After soaking, wipe the glasses gently with a soft cloth, and they'll look like they just came out of the store. If you want to prevent cloudiness in the future, consider hand-drying your glasses immediately after washing them. This extra step keeps your glassware spotless and looking elegant. Microwave stains can be tough to clean, but steam can make it effortless. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with warm water, add a splash of vinegar or a squeeze of lemon juice, and place it in your microwave. Turn it on high for a few minutes, allowing the steam to loosen dried-on food and grease. Once done, carefully remove the bowl, as it will be hot, and wipe the interior with a cloth. Your microwave will look spotless without much effort. For an added bonus, use the hot vinegar water to freshen up your kitchen sink or clean your countertops. This hack is a multitasking dream. Does your fridge sometimes develop unpleasant odors, even after cleaning? Here's a simple yet effective hack. Place a small bowl of activated charcoal inside your fridge. Activated charcoal is incredibly absorbent and will neutralize any bad smells, leaving your fridge smelling fresh. You can replace the charcoal every month for the best results. For an added bonus, you can use this same trick in small cabinets or storage boxes to keep them odor-free too. A fabric refresher spray is a simple yet powerful way to instantly make your furniture and fabrics smell amazing. Before guests arrive, I like to quickly go around and spray it on the couches, curtains, or even the rugs. It's like a quick refresh for your living space without any extra effort. To make this hack even more effective, you can pair it with vacuuming. Spray the refresher right before vacuuming your furniture, so the scent gets embedded into the fabric. This hack is perfect for giving your home that freshly cleaned vibe in no time. Many cleaning products are more effective if you let them sit for a while before wiping. For example, multi-surface sprays often recommend waiting 5 to 10 minutes after applying. This extra time allows the product to break down dirt, grease, and stains, making it easier to clean. When cleaning areas like bathtubs or kitchen counters, I like to spray the cleaner and then tackle another small task while I wait. By the time I come back, the dirt practically wipes itself away. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's also a cleaning hack. If you use your coffee grinder for both coffee beans and spices, you've probably noticed that flavors tend to linger. To clean it quickly and effectively, grind a handful of uncooked white rice. The rice absorbs oils, smell, and leftover particles, leaving your grinder fresh and ready for the next use. For an extra touch, wipe the grinder's interior with a damp cloth after grinding the rice. This ensures there's no residue left behind, and your coffee won't taste like cumin or chili powder the next time you use it. Closets can sometimes develop a musty smell due to humidity, but baking soda can be your best friend here. Fill a small fabric pouch or sock with baking soda and place it in the corner of your closet. Baking soda absorbs moisture and odors, keeping your clothes smelling fresh. For an extra touch, sprinkle a little baking soda directly on the carpet or fabric in the closet. Let it sit for a while, then vacuum it up for a deeper clean. Ink stains on clothing can be frustrating, but this quick fix will save the day. Take a clean cotton ball or cloth, dip it in rubbing alcohol, and gently dab the stain. Avoid rubbing too hard, as this can spread the ink. The alcohol will break down the ink particles, making it easier to lift the stain. After treating the stain, wash the clothing as usual, and you'll be amazed at how clean it looks. Want your home to smell amazing without using artificial air fresheners? Try this natural trick. Simmer orange peels with a few cinnamon sticks in a pot of water. The steam will release a warm, citrusy scent that fills your home with comfort. You can also add cloves or vanilla extract for a more layered and complex fragrance that lasts for hours. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solo mission. Get your family involved. Assign age-appropriate chores to kids, like tidying their rooms, washing their dishes, or helping with the laundry. For adults, divide tasks based on preferences. My husband loves doing laundry, while I enjoy tackling the dishes. We also set a timer for 15 minutes a day where everyone works together. It's amazing how much you can accomplish as a team, and it makes cleaning feel less overwhelming. Plus, it's a great way to teach kids responsibility and life skills while keeping the house tidy. Cleaning doesn't have to be boring. It can actually be your personal me time. Pop in your favorite earphones and listen to something you love, like an audiobook, an inspiring podcast, or even your favorite music playlist. You can also use this time to catch up with loved ones on the phone. When your mind is engaged in something enjoyable, cleaning doesn't feel like a chore. It's like multitasking with purpose, tidying up while doing something that makes you happy. If you ever feel overwhelmed by cleaning, try the speed cleaning method. Set a timer for an hour and split the time equally between the rooms in your house. For example, if you have 12 rooms, spend just 5 minutes in each one. The time limit motivates you to focus on the most important tasks in each room, like picking up clutter or wiping surfaces. It's amazing how much you can accomplish in a short burst of focused energy. Plus, it's a fun challenge to see how much you can get done before the timer goes off. One of the easiest habits to adopt is to never leave a room empty-handed. If you're going upstairs or downstairs, take a quick look around for items that belong in the direction you're heading. For example, cups or dishes that need to go to the kitchen, or clothes that need to go to the laundry room. This small habit not only keeps your home more organized, but also saves you from making extra trips. It's a simple, effective way to tidy up as you move around the house. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips inspire you to embrace natural ingredients and simple methods in your cleaning routine. Remember, creating a healthy, eco-friendly home doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about small changes that make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from these ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on minimalism, cleaning, and sustainable living. I'd love to hear your favorite natural cleaning hacks, so drop them in the comments below. Let's continue building healthier homes together. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.